We've had some major security breaches as of late. We've had to take some extra precautions.
Sometimes visitors can get really hostile and security has to get involved.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Welcome to St. Paul III Mercy Grace Southwest Primary Miracle Memorial Medical Center. Are you here to visit someone?
Yeah, I'm here to see my sister.
All right, what's her name?
Shafid.
And how do you spell that?
Shitthead. Shafid. Okay, I didn't stutter.
Okay, and what is your name?
Ladasha.
And how do you spell that?
What, you the police or something? How you spell your name? Can I see your ID?
You're gonna have to calm down a little bit, or else I'm gonna have to call security.
Security? Excuse me, a security? Okay. No, I'm gonna call security on you. Security, we got a complicated receptionist. Security. Okay, you know what? I don't need this. I'm gonna find her on my own. I don't need this.
Okay, it's in room 311.
Okay, thank you.
I don't get paid enough.
Yeah, girl. Get it done.
Excuse me? You can't be in here.
Some people don't work on their customer service skills.
You doing all right, soldier?
My leg.
Your leg?
My leg.
Let's take a
The
look.
other.
Oh my goodness!
Nurse, come in here quick. What's going on?
Look at this wound.
Do you think we can save the leg?
No, we're gonna have to amputate it.
Okay. Do you have the saw?
Dang it! I lent it to Joe! Hold on! I might have something.
Okay.
Oh, are these gonna work?
Perfect. Wait. Maybe wipe the blood off from the last soldier real quick. Great work. Okay, I'm ready. Wait. Maybe we should clean this off too. Okay, we're good.
Don't we want?
Wait! Don't do that.
Everyone's been a little edgy lately. We've had some major sanitation concerns. All right, There's no hand sanitizer? There's no hand. This is not a drill. Code brown.
Let's go check on our patient. How are you doing today, soldier?
Not very well, ma'am. I feel really tired and weak. I seem to have lost my appetite. And I've been having some stomach issues, if you know what I mean.
When was the last time you ate anything but mush?
Before the war, I think.
That was over a year ago! Is this your drinking water? Oh,
Yes, ma'am. I got it from the river over there myself.
We really need to get him some adequate nutrition and clean water. This is an unsafe environment.
All right, first patient of the afternoon, and I got her lunch. Let's go in and see her. Hey, how we doing today?
I'm great.
Great. Well, I have your lunch for you. Ready to eat?
Yeah, what do I have?
It's so great. It's baked chicken with some wild rice and steamed fresh vegetables, and to top it all off, fresh fruit popsicles for dessert.
No way. There's no way I'm gonna eat something that healthy. I want ice cream and chicken nuggets. Did you hear me? Ice cream and chicken.
Sorry we had to cut you off. It's getting pretty ugly in there. Some people just don't appreciate Michelle Obama's My Plate initiative and good food.
I know it's a little loud in here, soldier, but are you okay? Do you need anything?
I just have a little itch on my one leg.
Okay, I'll get that for you. How's that feel?
That's not my leg.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me go get my lantern. It's too dark in here. Okay, that's better. There we go. That's better.
That's much better, thank you.
Full disclosure, I am not that kind of nurse.
I am so annoyed. This patient's call light has been going off like every 5 minutes.
Hey, what can I do for you?
Yeah, this machine won't stop beeping, and I can't see the TV. There's a glare from the sun.
See. All right, well, I'll let your aide know.
Well, hurry up, because The Young and the Restless is on, and I want to see what happens to Jesse's illegitimate child.
Some people are so needy.
Nurse!
Hey!
Been very concerned about the quality of sleep that our soldiers have been getting. Soldier, why aren't you sleeping?
Well, every time I start to nod off, the rats come and start nibbling on my wounds. And I think something might be poking me.
Well, let's roll you over and see if we can fix whatever's poking you. Oh, I think I found the culprit. There we go. Is that better?
Yeah, it's like my soft hay bed at home.
All right, doing rounds. Let's go see how my patient's sleeping. Hey, what are you doing awake?
Oh, well, I was trying to sleep, but every time my friends snap me, I gotta snap them back. That and something's poking my leg.
Oh, well, let's take a look. Can you roll over for me?
Sure.
I think I found the culprit.
Oh, I was looking for that.
All right, well, since you know what it is now, why don't you try telling your friends goodnight so you can get some sleep?
All right. Actually, can I get another pillow?
Sure.
Let's see. You can just put it right here. That way I can rest my phone on it. There you go. Perfect.
I'll take care of you like you want me to, and I'll roll you right, baby, all through the night. I'll take care of you when you want me to, and I will not go home till my shift is through.
We've had some major safety and security situations. We should take the top off and we can just do like. Check on our patient right now.
Yeah.
Let's go check on our patient. Hello, soldier. How are you feeling today?
Not very good, ma'am. I've been feeling really weak, and I've lost my appetite. I also been.
Let's go check on our patient. Hello, soldier. How are you feeling today?
Not very good, ma'am. I've been feeling really weak and tired, and I seem to have lost my appetite. I've also been happy.
Let's go check on our patient. Hello, soldier. How are you feeling today?
Not very well, ma'am. I feel really weak and tired, and I seem to have lost my appetite. And I've been having some stomach issues.